In this video, let me show you how to fix Wi-Fi issues that you're having with your MacBook Air M5. I'll show you 5 different tricks, so let's get started right away. The first thing that I always suggest trying is to restart the computer. This will fix 90% of software problems. So simply by clicking on the Apple logo on the top left corner, select Restart and confirm by clicking Restart here. Okay, the computer will shut down, will power on by itself, and afterwards, your Wi-Fi should work as usual. Now, if this simple trick didn't work, let's go to tip number 2, which is to disconnect yourself completely from the Wi-Fi network and reconnect yourself. So by going on the Apple logo again, select System Settings. And this time we're going to select Wi-Fi on the left side. And from here, this is the network I'm currently connected. As you see, there's a green dot. If you click on Details, you're going to select Forget this network and Remove. Okay, perfect. Now turn off Wi-Fi by clicking on the toggle over here. Wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Now it's time to reconnect yourself to your Wi-Fi network. It will start searching. Okay, this is my Wi-Fi network. I'll press connect. I'll enter the password of this network. I'll click OK. And now it got connected back to it. And fortunately, I won't have any issues after doing this. If you're still having problems, what we can do is, well, go back over here under Wi-Fi. This is the network you're currently connected to, that you're having issues probably with it. Click on Details. And then over here, click on DNS on the left side. You're going to have a few DNS server options, okay, here, and this doesn't matter. What you need to do is to click the plus icon right over here. And we need to add the DNS 8.8.8.8. So add this one, press OK. And we are not done yet. Do the same thing. Go back into Details, DNS. And now we need to add the second one. Press the plus icon. And the second one is 4.2.2.2. And again, press OK. So by adding this to DNS, after doing this, I suggest you do a restart. So again, the Apple logo, press restart. And when it comes back alive, your computer should work without any Wi-Fi problems. Now, if you're still having problems, what I suggest, maybe the problem is not the actual MacBook, maybe it's your Wi-Fi router. So I suggest you go to your Wi-Fi router and you simply unplug it from the wall outlet, wait 2 minutes, plug it back. And once it comes back online, okay, go on your Mac and start using your Wi-Fi. In my case, it happens every 2 years, I would say, or 3 years. I have to do it on my Wi-Fi router. I have to unplug it because no device is connecting properly. And once I plug it back, well, everything comes back alive and works. So that's another thing you can try. Disconnect your Wi-Fi router and plug it back. Finally, other things that you can do is to go over here in the system settings into general, go over here in software update. And if there is an update pending, I suggest you go ahead and install it. There's a good chance that Apple fixed your software issue with this update. So by updating, fortunately, this will fix your problem. And finally, at the end, if nothing works, you can do a factory reset of your computer by going into General, Transfer or Reset, erase all content and settings, and obviously everything will be wiped out. So make sure you make a backup, but your computer will be brand new, and fortunately, everything will work. So please leave a comment down below. Tell me if one of these tips worked, or if you have any other ones, please leave it in the comments. I'm sure it will be helpful for somebody. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.